Hello everyone. This is Dr.G.Anita Hebsiba, Department of Chemistry, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. How does a hydrogen drive work? Hydrogen cars are powered by an electric motor and are therefore classified as e-cars. The common abbreviation is FCEV, short for Fuel Cell Electric Vehicle. In contrast to battery powered electric cars or battery electric vehicles, BEV for short. There is one crucial difference to other electric vehicles. Hydrogen vehicles produce the electricity themselves. This means that their power does not come from a built-in battery, as is the case with purely electrical vehicles or plug-in hybrid vehicles which can be charged from an external power source. Instead, hydrogen cars effectively have their own efficient power plant on board which converts the hydrogen in the fuel tank into electricity. And this power plant is the fuel cell. A process known as reverse electrolysis takes place in a fuel cell. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen. In the process, the hydrogen comes from one or more tanks in the car, while the oxygen comes from the ambient air. The only things this reaction produces are electrical energy, heat and water, which exits through the exhaust as water vapor with no emissions at all. Hydrogen fuel cell cars are vehicles that use hydrogen fuel instead of conventional fuels like gas. While hydrogen fuels are often used for rockets, they also become very popular in the context of automobiles. Compared to conventional cars that use fossil fuels, fuel cell cars have many advantages. Can hydrogen fuel cell cars replace conventional cars? This is our study today. What are the pros for hydrogen fuel cell cars? They are the greenest power source. They are they use renewable energy. They are efficient power source, quiet means of transportation without any noise, and then short fueling time. Long range, so that it can be used to run uh, long distances. No harmful fumes which comes out of this hydrogen fuel cell cars. No air pollution, then no greenhouse gas emissions. Perfect for commuting. So it's a sustainable fuel, sustainable vehicle. What are the positives of hydrogen fuel negatives of hydrogen fuel cell cars? High cost for new cars, high depreciation. The value depreciates very fastly. Then charging may be an issue. Lack of infrastructure related to hydrogen cars, and then limited selection of vehicles too. Technology not mature at to take it to the common level. Large investments in R&D is necessary. High fuel cost, safety concerns, hydrogen production may not be eco-friendly. So these are the cons for hydrogen fuel cell cars. Hydrogen cars are powered purely by electricity and drive with zero local emissions. The driving experience is therefore similar to that of electric cars. No, normally, dynamic, virtually silent acceleration, since electric motors provide their full torque even at low speeds. The biggest competitive advantage is the short refueling time. Unlike the charging time of e-cars, which are dependent on both the model and infrastructure, it just takes 3 to 4 minutes to refill the hydrogen tank of a BMW of a UK's hydrogen. This brings vehicle availability and flexibility into line with those of a regular car. Let me conclude. Hydrogen fuel cell cars are quite promising vehicles and may have the potential to replace hydrogen conventional cars at one point of time. However, since the technology behind hydrogen cars is not mature yet and the necessary infrastructure is missing, it may take quite a long time until fuel cell cars will be a suitable and reliable alternative to conventional cars. In the meantime, electric cars may be a good alternative to the use of conventional cars. Thank you.